The discovery that proves parallel universes? It all began in the frozen silence of Antarctica, with a particle that defied physics. Imagine detecting a particle moving in a way that shouldn't exist, as if it came from a mirror world. In 2018, scientists in Antarctica faced just that. Could this be the first real evidence of parallel universes? The story begins with NASA's Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna. Suspended from a giant balloon, it scans for neutrinos, ghost-like particles that usually pass straight through Earth unnoticed. In 2018, Anita detected something strange, a high-energy particle blasting up from the ice, not down from space. Normally, cosmic rays hit Earth's atmosphere from above, but Anita's data showed the exact opposite, a particle rising from beneath the Earth's surface. That shouldn't happen. High-energy neutrinos can barely travel through Earth without being absorbed. So what on Earth, or beyond, was going on? Scientists thought maybe Anita's instruments glitched, but when another detector, Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory, buried deep in Antarctic ice, reported similar anomalies, things got weirder. The odds of two massive detectors misfiring the same way? Nearly impossible. A new mystery was emerging beneath the frozen continent. One wild explanation suggested by physicists: maybe these particles came from a parallel universe where physics runs in reverse. Imagine a cosmos where time flows backward, matter behaves oppositely, and our universe is just a mirror. Could Anita's detection be the first sign of that universe brushing against ours? This idea wasn't science fiction. It came from researchers at the University of Hawaii and Penn State, who argued the anomaly fit a CPT symmetric universe, a theoretical model where everything exists in a reversed twin universe. Suddenly, the headline shouted, "NASA evidence for parallel universes." But here's the twist. The media hype ran faster than the science. The original papers never claimed proof of parallel universes. Instead, they admitted something strange was happening, and that the laws of physics as we know them couldn't easily explain it. Mystery? Yes. Proof? Not quite. So, what could cause such an impossible particle? Some physicists suggested unknown forms of matter, like sterile neutrinos, a hypothetical cousin of neutrinos that barely interacts with reality. Others proposed flaws in our cosmic ray models. The deeper they dug, the stranger the possibilities became. Meanwhile, the Ice Cube team kept analyzing. Their results, while they couldn't confirm a parallel universe, they did confirm that anomalies were real, not just instrument noise. Something unusual was happening beneath Antarctica, forcing scientists to rethink fundamental physics. To understand why this is so shocking, remember, the standard model of physics predicts how particles behave. For neutrinos to punch through the Earth and come out the other side with such energy, the math doesn't work, unless physics itself is hiding something huge. This isn't the first time strange experiments hinted at parallel realities. In 1961, physicist Hugh Everett's many worlds interpretation suggested that every quantum decision spawns another universe. From quantum computing to entangled particles, science has long been flirting with the possibility of parallel worlds. Add to that the double-slit experiment. When particles act differently depending on observation, it suggests reality isn't as fixed as we think. Could neutrino anomalies in Antarctica be tied to the same quantum weirdness, evidence that reality has more layers than we see? Skeptics argue simpler explanations exist. Maybe Anita's readings were caused by ice interference or atmospheric effects we don't yet understand. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and right now, parallel universes remain just one of many interpretations, not the only one. Still, the Antarctic findings forced the physics community to take bolder ideas seriously. If anomalies like this keep repeating, it may demand rewriting textbooks. Whether sterile neutrinos, mirror matter, or even universes where time flows backward, something revolutionary may be hiding under Antarctic ice. And the stakes are massive. Proving parallel universes would shake not just science, but philosophy, religion, and how we see ourselves. Imagine infinite versions of you, infinite histories, infinite futures. If Anita truly glimpsed that, it might be the most profound discovery in human history. But here's where science stays humble. Nobody knows yet. The anomalies remain unsolved. Teams continue to study cosmic rays, neutrinos, and exotic theories. Parallel universes aren't dismissed, but they're not proven either. For now, Antarctica keeps its secrets. Instead of disappointment, scientists feel excitement. Unexplained data is how revolutions in science begin. From Einstein's relativity to quantum mechanics, breakthroughs often come from weird anomalies that force us to expand what we thought possible. Anita's strange signal might be the start of another revolution. What's next? More experiments. Future neutrino detectors in Antarctica, space telescopes, and underground labs worldwide will test whether these impossible particles reappear. If they do, scientists must answer: glitch in physics, or the first fingerprints of a parallel universe. For now, the parallel universe explanation remains a playful but thrilling possibility. Whether it's sterile neutrinos, new physics, or just ice playing tricks, Anita cracked open a mystery that refuses to close. And mysteries like this are what drive science forward. So, did Anita prove the existence of parallel universes? Not yet, but it showed us how close we might be to finding something even stranger. The universe still has secrets to share, and if you love chasing mysteries like this, stay curious and keep exploring.